Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
Where are we headed?
I'm just going to the airport.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I'm just going to Chicago.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah.
That's good.
You're pretty cute.
Oh, thank you.
You probably get that a lot, huh?
I do, actually.
Your pastors hit on you?
Kind of, yeah, like, sometimes.
So, you do Uber like full time or?
Just part-time. The other half, I'm like, trying to be, model.
Oh, you're a model?
Yes, I am.
You could totally make it in that industry.
Oh, really?
I mean, you have the look for it.
Oh, thank you.
I mean, look, I'll be back in probably like a week.
Oh, really?
We could maybe like hang out or something.
I would love to. Actually, yeah, like, if you want to give me your phone number?
Yeah, I'd be down. I'll give it to you at the end of the ride.
Okay.
I mean, we could just be friends.
Yeah, that'd be great. You can follow me on Instagram.
Okay. Yeah. So, what kind of food do you like?
Sushi?
Oh, you like sushi?
Yeah.
Okay. Listen, I don't want to be like, weird or anything, but would you want to go on a date?
Okay, yeah, we can go out or something. That'd be great to like have dinner or something.
No, I mean like we could just like I can go to your house or something.
We can go out like for a restaurant.
You have roommates?
Yeah.
You want like a massage or something? Like right now? I'm sure you're probably sore.
Good. Yeah, no, I'm okay. I'm definitely.
So it's such a long day, I just kind of want to get a nut out.